In this video, we're taking an honest look at Bravo Studio, a no-code platform that turns Figma designs into functional mobile apps, and while it's a strong option for design-first creators, it's important to understand what it truly excels at and where its limits become clear. Bravo's biggest strength is how closely it preserves your original UI designs, making it ideal for designers or founders who want pixel-perfect control without writing code, and its ability to connect with APIs, Airtable, or Firebase helps transform those designs into real, interactive apps. However, Bravo doesn't provide a full built-in backend, so more complex logic, automation, or scaling often depends on external tools, which can feel limiting for larger or data-heavy projects. Users also note that the platform works best when your Figma workflow is well structured, otherwise, implementing features or adjusting screens can become frustrating. While it's excellent for MVPs, prototypes, and small to mid-scale apps, long-term expansion or highly custom functionality may require more advanced development options. Stay tuned and subscribe for more honest tech and no-code reviews.